डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी.
Good afternoon, students. I welcome you all at Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University, Jyotirmay Parishar. My name is Bijal Rawal, Assistant Professor Management, School of Commerce and Management Department. Today we are going to discuss on MBA Semester 2. Our unit number is 2, Marketing Mix and Environment. We will discuss. We just go through with our topic outline: introduction, marketing mix, managerial approaches. Introduction: marketing can be defined as any social and managerial process through which individuals and groups achieve what they need and want through creating, offering, and exchanging product of values. In our past lecture, we had already discussed about marketing, nature of marketing, scope of marketing, importance of marketing. There are two sides or party in the system of marketing. One is buyer and one is seller. To get goods and services is the objectives of the market, while profit maximizations and ultimately wealth maximizations is the objective of the industry. By exchanging this way, both accomplish their objectives. Both parties, buyers and sellers, both accomplish their objectives. That is main important. The communications from the industry side is known as promotions, and the informations taken by the industry is usually in the form of feedback given by the customer. So industry has idea what customer want, and as per the feedback they come to know about the product and how they can improve their strategy to create better atmosphere for employees and as well as our organization. What is marketing mix? Good marketing or a distribution process demands spatial management focus, as production is meaningless if goods are not sold. They have proper amount of product. They have already produced lots of product, but if the goods are not sold, it is useless or it is a waste of material. So that is more important. The marketing mix involves the process of designing and margin different aspects of marketing to guarantee the success of the business and its goal. According to Philip Kotler, marketing mix is a set of controllable variable that the firm can use to influence the buyer's response. The controllable variable in this context refers to the 4 P's. It means product, price, place, distributions, and promotion. We will discuss in details about 4 P's of marketing. First, we just understand the managerial approaches. James Culton characterized the marketing manager as someone who combines the components. Neil Budden wrote an article named The Concept of the Marketing Mix. In 1964, what he said? Budden explained several ideas that fell under the term marketing mix. McCarthy, an American professor, suggests that 4 P's, which are 4 words beginning with the letter of P in 1960. He referred to this as the 4 Ps in his book. Same, P for product, P for price, P for place, and P for promotion. It means 4 Ps. Luther Born experimented to look at this 4 Ps from the consumer perceptions in 1990. What he proposed? He proposed that 4 Ps of the seller correspond to the 4 Cs of the customers. We will understand that product and on other side customer solutions. Price, customer cost, place, convenience, promotions, communications. We'll understand. He proposed that 4 Ps of the seller corresponded to the 4 Cs of the customers. Product, customer solutions. 4 Ps take into the understanding the product itself, while the 4 Cs concentrate on the customer's actual wants and needs about that product, what they actually want. Price, customer cost. 4 Ps focus primarily on price, where C concentrate the total cost of the consumer, which include time, efforts, perceived value. Place and convenience. 4 Ps focus on the distribution channel, and the 4 Cs emphasize the customer convenience. It utilize the product. How they utilize the product? Promotion, communication. Promotion is the seen as one-way message in the 4 Ps model, while 4 Cs model emphasize two-way communications with the customer. So that is more important, two-way communication with the customers, so they have idea about the market. Marketing mix. First, product. We understand a product is anything that can fulfill a need or a desire and has a value in the marketplace. A marketer must make the several product decisions. Product related decisions include the considerations of its design, packaging, labeling, various variant. Settling on a price is essential. Sales depends on the product cost, like product variety, quality, design, brand name, features, size, services, packaging. So, the product is anything that can fulfill a need or a desire, what customer wants. As per the customer needs and wants, in market, they have to design and fulfill customers' need. Price. Price represents the product value in exchange. The price represents the cost of a good or services. It is the second most essential components in marketing mix. In price decisions, list prices, discounts, payment methods, periods, allowances, credit terms, that's all are included in price decisions. We have to understand that all things when we are going to decide the product price. Place. A place decisions means to take the decisions regarding the channels through which product reach to the customers. Products are manufactured for the sell to the customer. It is essential that they are offered to the customer on appropriate locations where customer easily purchase that product. Decisions about the place, channels, locations, coverage, transport, inventory, physical distribution, the way we have to decide where customer easily buy that product, like shopping mall, where customer want or as per the need, they can buy lots of product in one place. So it is very easy to the customer. Promotion, a product that is produced, priced appropriately based on customers' needs and sold at convenient location for a consumer may still fail in the market if consumers are not informed about price, features, and availability. Promotion involves communications directly with the customer. They can directly approach the customers why they are not able to buy the product. That supports a product organizations, related items, decisions regarding promotions. We can see sales promotion, advertising. We just come to know about the advertising, publicity, Salesforce, network marketing, direct marketing. The way we just come to know about that particular product, new product launch in the market. We come to know about the advertising or by a friend, by social media. We have more idea about the product. So if I or you want for that product, first we just go through their features, their price, is it affordable to us? Then and then only we will decide to buy that product. So that is more important. We will discuss new topic in our next lecture. Till then, thank you.
स्वाध्यायः